Hello, Paul here, Punk TV. Quick answer to a question I've had a few times. How do you tell if a channel is monetized when YouTube are putting adverts on front of less than 1,000 subscriber channels? So, if you were to go to my channel, in fact, let's just go here, Grant Hobart, 284,000 subscribers. What you need to do on Google Chrome is go View Developer View Source. So whatever that code is, on a Mac it's Option Command U. Then if I type in Find, and then you'll see there I've been doing it, Monetized, right? So type in Monetized, Monetization, and you'll see here, Monetization equals true. So if I go to a channel that doesn't have 1,000 subscribers, so isn't eligible to be a partner, again, View, Developer, Source, Command F, Monetization. Monetization is false. So for one reason or another, if you are looking for why a channel has got advertised ads, so you're trying to say this channel gets pushed more than mine, why does this one do better? If YouTube have chosen to put adverts in front of that video, there's a chance it gets posted. They say that it doesn't, but there's a chance that that video will do better than yours because YouTube are putting their own ads and taking all the revenue. So once again, here's another one. 460 Golf with 278 subscribers, so it will not be monetized. View Developer, View Source, Control or Command F for me. Search for monetization. Monetization is false. So we go for a bigger channel. Jimbo. Crypto's Rich Boy.
I think Crypto's
right,
rich.
This guy's got 3,000. Because I'm on YouTube Premium, I can't just say if there's an advert, right? Monetization, the Crypto Big Boy, whatever his name is. Crypto Rich Boy. Monetization value equals true. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Punk TV out.